Is your Chevy built for business, or can you take it on serious off-road adventures as well? I'm Dean, the co-founder of Big Dog Builds. We are the most awarded American truck workshop in Australia with over 500 builds under our belt. If you're a business owner thinking about a gap year, Big Red 2500 Chevy may be the only truck you'll ever need. This one here started down at EC Off-Road. It's come into Big Dog Builds for a few signature items, like the roof rack up on top. And we'll show you how, even if your build starts somewhere else, we can finish off here at Big Dog Builds and make sure you get around Australia in one piece with all the lights needed for those that are scared of the dark. Because who says you can't pick between business and pleasure? Let's go have a look at this one. Starting off a little bit differently on the front end, this one's the Outback Kitter's front bar. This has got the 3 Baja LP9 Pro amber LED lights in the front. These ones are the driving combo lenses. So you can see there, it's got the little flood lens in there, the combination of the spotlights as well. And the benefit with the Pro means that you've got a pretty cool looking daytime run light. With the amber covers on these ones means that the reflection coming off those street signs with a bright LED light like the Road Visions and the ones in the bar, these amber ones can be switched independently through the Switch Pro inside, and that's going to allow you for the best driving experience. The amber are definitely becoming a lot more popular. If you're wanting even more light, up on top, we've got the Baja 7 XL linkables on the Big Dog Builds roof rack. With this one, it's a little bit different as well. I like to see all different styles of builds with the gloss black front bar tying into the grille, gloss black flares instead of color coded. Big Red's definitely one to look at. It's got the UHF antenna bracket already done on the front there. The suspension's a 5-inch BDS kit. Black Bear tyres on top of some Moto metal wheels, filling out the guards. Then up on top, we got the Big Dog Builds accessory rack there. This one here is the V2 platform. It's got the 7 XL linkable Baja lights on the front end. It's got the laser lamps on the sides. These are all switched through the Switch Pro inside the cab as well. With the Switch Pro, you can dim down these side lights. And the benefit with the Big Dog Builds accessory rack means that you can access the roof rack through the sunroof. You want it to pop up on top there, do your antenna folding brackets up and down, whack a solar panel over the back half of the roof. This one here, no wind noise like some of the other brands on the market. And in my opinion, it's a pretty cool looking combination. Although this one here, we did have to modify it a little bit to suit the Almac boat loader on the canopy on the rear end. A few simple modifications, still looks amazing, still performs amazing, and looks pretty damn cool. Big Red. At the rear end of this one here, we've done a few little modifications. We've got this one up to a massive 5828 kilo GVM. This is the heaviest GVM on the market for the Chevy 2500 HD. In theory, we've turned it into a Chevy 3500. So we've added an extra leaf spring, done a leaf spring reset. This one here's got quite a lot of air in the airbags as well. Definitely testing out those airbags, making sure there's no leaks. And for this combination here, if you're wanting to run something not full canopy, but you're going for a little half canopy, the boat up on top, it's amazing how much weight you can still stack up in these empty spaces. So having all the GVM in the world is definitely a must. With this setup, with the new 5828 kilo GVM, these customers aren't going to have to worry about what trailer's on the back end, what they're loading the vehicle up to. Even with a big 37-inch tyre setup like this one here, with the half canopy, the boat on the roof, the motor on the back, you've got all the GVM in the world. Looks pretty cool. Are you a fan of Big Red? Do you like this build here? We've got another Big Red one up here as well. And if you want to see these things boogie up the beach, check out this series here. Link in the description below, guys. Get in touch today. I look forward to seeing your inquiry come on through.